Good old South African patriot here. You know why white people are battling in South Africa? Do you really know why? Firstly, this is vow country. Dis 'n gelofte land die. And the reason why we are battling is because people within our ranks, white people, are lying and deceiving their own people. They are taking advantage of their neighbors, their friends. As a farmer, you would pray for rain on your own land, but you won't pray for land on your neighbor's land. And that is the reason why we are battling. You stand in front of me, look me in the eye, and you lie to me, or vice versa. And that is why we are battling in South Africa as white people, is because we just cannot get it right. We just cannot allow the sun to shine over our fellow white South Africans. And it's quite sad. One of the main reasons why we left where we used to be and we moved here is to try and get rid of and isolate ourselves from that. And then we got here and it's exactly the fucking same. People lying, people deceiving for their own gain. White people. And it's quite sad because we tend to always give and we tend to always help. And it seems like white people are just there. It's like almost they are in survival mode. And when you're in survival mode, you make ridiculous decisions. So that's just something I wanted to share. Where we come from, we had exactly the same thing. When calamity strikes, everybody's there and everybody helps. But when your neighbor does a bit better than you become jealous and you don't allow him to just be better, make a little bit more money, maybe survive a little bit better. And it's quite sad. And that's the reason why we are where we are today. I have got a dream for our people, but my dream is almost like a pie in the sky. Because if I look at our people, I must tell you, I'm quite disappointed. And maybe one day, before I die, and hopefully I'll go to heaven, hopefully, things will be better for our people. Because we are a vow people. We are a gelofte volk. We are a people that do come from the real Israel, not the current Israel, because that's two different type of things. People from God. I told you about the drought here. We've had quite good rains, and I can tell you, my heart sings out to the land when it rains. I do not know where our people are going. Our people are on the wrong track. And I hope one day they will be on the right track. And hopefully one day we can have this flag. That's a freedom flag. It's got nothing to do with other tribes. It's got nothing to do with racism. That is the flag of freedom. And that's my hope and my dreams for my people, is freedom. One thing I've seen amongst our people is we use and abuse black people. I've done it. I have done it. I've stopped doing it. Since I've lost weight, since I've gained muscle, since I've sweat more, but it's worth it because that means freedom. And if freedom means working harder and smarter, then that is what I shall do. God bless.